Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use Reco social app tutorial for beginners. So when you first sign up, you will see this page saying pick at least 3 categories that you would like recommendations for. So go ahead and do this, or you can press skip down the bottom. However, you can start tailoring this social app in accordance with your hobbies and interests. So go ahead and do this. So Reco Social App is a web and mobile application that connects users, creators, and brands through recommendations. It allows creators to automatically tag and monetize their social media posts from platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, etc. So users can discover products directly from social media videos, making it easier to find and purchase items they see online. So the homepage will be a feed where you can view the feed, and then you can go onto here and we can see all of the things that were in this video or similar to this video. So for example, this lady is wearing a jacket, and then you can go ahead and see the different types of jackets that are similar to this here. And then here we have the search window. So we can search anything from, for example, men's jackets, and then you can see it will be filtered in different ways. So we can either go onto accounts, we can view specific products that will have what you search for, or you can go on a content and you can see videos of jackets in the content. Then we have collections, which is another feature. So it's a social media / shopping app all bundled in one. And then we can add a video, photo, or real talk. So video and photo will allow you to upload videos and photos onto here. And then this is the wallet section. So here it is saying if you post a real talk, you can earn $1. So if you go onto here, you can press real talk down there and you can start earning straight away. And here you can see how to earn. So you can upload and import content. It gets posted directly to Reco or import team from platforms like Instagram and TikTok. The AI attaches relevant high commission products, so you can earn from every view, click, and purchase. So it's a social media app that allows you to earn money through commissions, stuff like that. So it's very interesting, a good idea. And here we can upload content, post and earn, will automatically match your content with high commission products, and you earn every time someone engages. So it's very interesting. So the more your content performs, the more you earn, both from affiliate conversations and Reco creator rewards. Then we can go on to refer here, and we can get some money if someone gets referred successfully. Then here we have our product page. So here we can go ahead and product page / profile page, and we can see that we can go through all of these different aspects. We can edit profile here. We can scan QR codes and earn rewards through this way. So as you can see, you can go on to creator insights here, and you can see your statistics filtered by a specific custom time interval. And you can see all the individual insights from views, clicks, followers, etc. So
give us your hot take on New York City influencers.
So the main feature is this upload content here. So if you click on this will bring you to a page where you can connect your different accounts. So for example, you can connect your Instagram account. So you can go ahead and do that. Type in your IG handle, and then you can connect Instagram. What this will do is also import new content, and it will sync all the content that you have on Instagram onto this app, and it will create videos and posts regarding that, whilst highlighting all of the main products that were used in this, so you can start earning money straight away. So, for example, you can also import new content, put in your handle. So go ahead and import your content, and you'll see it is loading up your content here. Then you can press import my content here. And what this will do is connect your account to your Reco social app. And as you can see, it is uploading all of them. And you can go ahead and pick different ones. You can connect to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. So yeah, you will receive an email when the import is completed.
And
then as you can see, some of my posts are here already.
do it.
So yeah, that is a tutorial. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.